Bronchiectasis. Bronchiectasis is characterized by increased bronchial shadowing in the affected areas of the lungs, sometimes with multiple cystic areas. Note this X-ray of the chest with increased markings in both the lower lobes. A close view shows multiple cystic cavities in the medial part of the lower lobes, characteristic of cystic type of bronchiectasis. The cysts are very thin-walled and some may contain a fluid level when in the lower lobes. This is another X-ray of a patient who presented with chronic cough with copious foul-smelling expectoration. Note the multiple thin-walled cystic areas in the lower zone of the left lung. The cysts in dependent areas shown by the arrow contain a fluid level indicating retained bronchial secretions. A definitive diagnosis can however be made only on bronchography. This X-ray shows bronchial shadowing in the right middle lobe with multiple cystic areas. A close-up view shows several thin-walled cysts clustered together. There are no fluid levels. This is cystic type of bronchiectasis. This is another X-ray showing increased bronchial shadowing and a few cystic areas in both lower lobes. Observe in the close-up view the increased shadowing and a few cystic areas. However, for an absolute confirmation, it is essential to perform a bronchogram, which will also tell us the type of bronchiectasis and the extent and distribution of the disease in the lungs. In bronchiectasis, bronchi of one or more segments of the lungs are dilated and they are filled only up to 4 or 5 divisions as the distal bronchioles are occluded. Here we see a tubular type of bronchiectasis where the bronchi are uniformly dilated. There are 3 types of bronchiectasis seen on bronchogram: tubular bronchiectasis, cystic bronchiectasis, and secular and varicose bronchiectasis. In tubular bronchiectasis, the bronchi are dilated uniformly and have parallel walls. In cystic bronchiectasis, the bronchi are dilated like balloons, giving cystic areas 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter. And in secular bronchiectasis, the bronchi show areas of widening interspersed with constrictions, giving a varicose or corkscrew appearance. To revise, bronchiectasis is of 3 main types: tubular, cystic, and secular, as seen on bronchography. On plain X-ray, there is increased bronchial shadowing which may contain multiple thin-walled cystic areas.